This is my favorite one. I say this is a cow. SpeedCubeShop calls it a cow. However, I've been told it's a calf. Specifically. Oh, it's one of those ones where you have to like rip the plastic off. I guess I could cut it. Someone told me I should cut it, but this box is getting thrown away. Nope, this box is getting recycled. That is adorable. Look at the little mouth. A little tail in the back, some horns. And the little tuft of hair. Okay, if you're going to get any of these, get this one. This is the best one. I mean, the mouse is still very scary. The panda's kind of cute. It's got little tuft as well. The mouth kind of similar. Penguins, eh. Tigers, eh. This is the way to go. So, of course, we have the not creepy at all. And then, so these by YuXin have always been really fun and nice puzzles. Like there is some major corner cutting that we've got on this. I'm going to see if I can do an Ortega solve. So let's put all the head pieces on the same side. And then let's orient these. So we've got F double sexy. Come on. There we go. Nope. There we go. And then we have no headlights on bottom. And no headlights on top. So this should be solved with an R2, F2, R2 if I see it correctly. No, it wasn't quite right. What did I do wrong? So those two need to be swapped. Can I do that funky T-perm? Probably, but if I actually did it correctly. Yeah, there we go. I did do it correctly. That is adorable. Let's do one more solve. Let's scramble it up. Let's see if Ortega can actually work this time. Or I could try doing, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to do a CLL alg. Now, here's the fun thing. I don't actually know CLL, but I know CMLL for room. And we're going to see if that works. Okay, so we're going to solve the head first. Got 2 pieces there, 3 pieces. So actually, this is a really nice start. All we have to do is this. Okay. So, oh no, I don't actually can't really do this without colors. Oh, I don't know if this is going to work. So, we've got a T case. And then, normally I would see if this matches this. I have no idea what to look for with this. I have no idea. Wait, no, we've got the sort of checkerboardy pattern, which would be, I think, there's no way I'm doing this correctly. I'm scratching that. There's no way. Okay. And then we've got to get away. You got to Y-perm. There we go. The whole gang is here. We've got 5 of these now. Ooh. Okay. So if you want to pick these up, I'll put a link in the description. They're a lot of fun. A lot of fun for younger kids too. These things don't pop, and a lot of younger kids have had just tried playing with them and they enjoy them. So it's a really good size. They're not going to like choke on anything. Nothing seems to really fall apart, but you can tension it, you can tighten it if need be. You just have to get a really tall screwdriver for this one because the screw's really deep into there. But yeah, so thank you very much. I'll put a link where you can get this. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by SpeedCubeReview.com for more news and reviews.